Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to change your screen lock password on Android. Changing your screen lock is a simple way to keep your phone secure and protect your personal information. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for an option called Lock Screen, Security, or Security and Privacy. The name may be slightly different depending on your phone brand and Android version. Tap on the option that controls your screen lock settings. Next, look for screen lock type, or a similar option. Tap on it. Your phone may ask you to enter your current password, PIN, or pattern. Enter your current screen lock to continue. You will now see the different screen lock options available on your phone. Depending on your device, you may be able to choose between a PIN, password, pattern, or biometric options such as fingerprint or face unlock. To change your password, select Password. Enter your new password. Make sure your new password is something you can remember, but avoid using information that other people can easily guess. After entering the new password, your phone may ask you to enter it again for confirmation. Type the same password again. If both passwords match, confirm the change. Your new screen lock password is now active. To make sure everything is working correctly, lock your phone by pressing the power button. Then turn the screen back on and enter your new password. If the phone unlocks successfully, your new screen lock has been set. Remember that the exact location of these settings can be different depending on your Android device. If you cannot find the screen lock settings, you can open Settings and use the search bar at the top. Type screen lock or lock screen to quickly find the correct option. It is also a good idea to keep your screen lock private and never share your password with other people. And that's it. You now know how to change your screen lock password on Android. Happy watching, and please subscribe.